Transferring money from Sofi to the Cash App is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from Sofi to a Cash App, follow these steps. So first of all, you need to add a bank account to the Sofi app and Cash App. Let me tell you the process of adding a bank account to the Sofi app. So first of all, open the Sofi app. Then, on the top right corner, click on the transfer option. Also, if you're not linked to a bank account already, a pop-up appears. Click Continue. After that, select a bank. Now, verify your identity by entering the email code given to you. And select an account for checking account and click Continue. Now, Manage Your Connected Account window appears. Open the Investing tab. Right after that, click on Add Cash. And in the From drop-down area, click Manage Bank and select your account. Now let's move on and discuss the process to add a bank account to the Cash App. First of all, open the Cash App. Then, on the home page, click the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Now the cash balance area appears. Click on Link Bank. After that, enter your debit card number. If you don't have a debit card, click on No Card. Now you can link your account by using your username and password. Click Continue. Then tap to select your bank. Lastly, select Sofi Bank so that you can transfer Sofi to the Cash App. Once you are done adding a bank account in both apps, now it's time to send the amount from Sofi to Cash App bank account. So first of all, open your Sofi app. On the top right corner, click on the Transfer option. After that, select the Bank Transfer option. Now, enter your bank details and confirm your transaction.